Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, in this video class today we will continue the first chapter accounting for partnership firm fundamental. Today we will solve question number 19 in the part of 20. So first start the question. See your question. Pooja and Archana are partners in a firm. Profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. So friend, I am mentioning in a short P for Pooja and A for Archana ratio is 2:1. Their capital account as on 1st April 13 at 70,000 and 30,000 respectively. The partners are allowed interest on capital 10% per annum. So the firm are allowing to partner interest on capital. So first I mention here to interest on capital. Both the partner Pooja and Archana 70,000 and 30,000 of 10%. 70,000 of 10%, 7,000 and 30,000 of 10%. 3,000 is equal to 10,000. At my previous video class, I have to be explained that how to calculate the interest on capital. And continue the drawing of the partners during the year ended 31st March 14. Amounted to 4,800 and 3,600. So students, date is given, date is 31st March 2014. Drawing is given, interest is charged on drawing at the rate of 10%. Students, in this question, same pattern, the drawing time period is not given. So know very well, when the drawing time period is not given, then we will charge of a 6%, 6 months by interest on drawing. It will be the income from the firm. The firm will be gained from the partner, then it will be a credit. So two partners, first Pooja and second Archana. First partner drawing is 4,800. 10% is given 480. See the calculations. 4,800, 10%, and for 6 months is equal to 240. Pooja for 240 and same thing for the Archana 180. Total is equal to 420. Next point, Pooja has given a loan to firm as on 1st November 2013 of 20,000. So 20,000 calculation of interest and loan. 20,000 and interest on loan is not given, and the time period of Pooja has given the loan to the firm on 1st November. 1st November to 31st March, total months is 5. And interest on loan, when the interest on loan in the not given the question, that time will charge 6%. So calculation is equal to 500 of interest of loan. Next is the other profit for the firm for the year ended 31st March 2014. Before above investment was 80,000 and 10% of the profit is to be kept in a reserve account. So students, profit is given by profit is equal to 80,000, and out of this profit less the firm will pay interest on loan to Pooja, interest on loan to Pooja. Clear? Interest on loan to Pooja amount is equal to 500 and remaining profit 79,500. That will work you can do in the format of profit loss account. And the question is given, the firm want to be keep the reserve or the profit. So profit is 80,000, the firm want to be maintain a reserve. So reserve of 10% of profit. 10% of profit is given on the question. So 80,000 of 10% is equal to 8,000. Now profit loss appropriation account appropriation is completed. Now next work is total. Total is 79,920, and so credit side is 79,920 and debit side is 18,000. So if the credit side is excess from the debit side, so it will be a profit to profit transfer. The question is asking for about the partner's current account. So profit transfer to Pooja's current account and to Archana current account. Next is so balancing 79,920 less by 18,000, 61,920. So 61,920 is a profit, and this profit are distributed among the partners in the ratio of 2:1. So first Pooja is equal to 61,920, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. 61,920. So calculation 3 to the 6, 0, 3 6 are 18, 3 4 are 12 and 0. Understood? Next multiply 2, 0, 8 and 2 to the 4. So 41,280 and 20,640. Transfer in the Pooja current and the Archana current. 41,280 and 20,640, and the total profit was 61,920. In this question, the question is asking for about the profit loss appropriation account and partners current account. So profit loss appropriation account is completed. Now next posting we post in the partners current account. And for the partners current account, so it is mentioned on the question that on 1st April 2013 were Pooja 5,000 credit and Archana 23,000 debit balance is given. So for the Pooja, here we write date is 1st April by balance BD of 5,000 for the Pooja and 2 balance BD 23,000 for Archana. Understood, students? If the balance is given 5,000 on the credit, so we will write on the credit side, and Archana balance is 23,000 on the credit mentioned given the bracket. So 23,000 we will write on the debit side. And capital balance, you know very well, capital balance will not be posted in the partner's current account, and reinvestment as well as will posted in the current account. So first was on there by interest on capital, by interest on capital 7,000 for Pooja and 3,000 for Archana. Next by profit was on 41,280 and 20,640. Next one is drawing is given the question. To drawing 4,800 and 3,600. Interest on drawing, the partners will pay, the partners will charge from the firm. Interest on drawing was on 240 and 180. So friend, it was a posting of the current account, and now next work is total. Total first on the Pooja. Pooja is a credit side is excess from the debit side. Credit side total is 53,280 and the debit is 5,040. So divided by 53,280 and 5,040. 48,240 of the balance of Pooja, it is the credit balance. So here we will write 2 balance CD 48 58,240. Right? 53,280. And for the balance of Archana, it is shown on the 23,600 and 180. So the excess of debit side, and the credit is given is 23,640. So is the excess of debit side. So balance rises by the debit side. Archana shows a debit balance. So 23 and balance is 26,780. So now calculation of 26,780 direct 23,640. 3,140 is the balance of Archana, is a debit balance. By balance CD 3,140. And now balancing 26,780. So now sent is the posting of partner's current account. Pooja shows a credit balance and Archana shows a 3,140. Okay, thank you students.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.